Way off. Wait.
We are here, guys. We haven't reacted to Sonwabile in a very long time.
It's been a while.
It's been a very long time.
It's been a while. So guess what? Hey, hey.
So quick context behind this vlog. This vlog was around the same time I was doing my 10 essentials, man. I didn't post this part of the vlog. If you want to know why, I talk about it on my stream thingies. You can check it out. So then my stupid self makes a bet with chat saying that if they get to 25, which I thought they wouldn't do it. If they get to 25 subscribers, I'll post the vlog. They got to 25 subscribers. So now I'm posting the vlog. I'm a man of my word. I'm posting the rest of the vlog. Man, cool, yeah, shit. Man, cool, hey.
Name on the line. One shot. Who would you rather have taking it? Iggy or Curry?
No ways, bro. Yeah, me too.
When is the event done? Shooting with Candace for up close. You're shooting up close. I also shot up close.
Shot.
I've reshot, yeah.
Or like done.
You've done that.
Did she come with the flowers or?
He still has to shoot.
Hey, man.
What are you shooting?
I know for a fact that Mr.
I have 9.
Costa.
My mom is 19.
Yeah, Mr. Ghost.
I already did that now.
No, you can't do that.
I swear, and you can't top mine, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, Koga. I thought about it. I came with 9 essentials.
I already called my mom.
You can't do that.
Let's ask Candace.
In dating and stuff.
Thank you very much.
No. Reggie's gonna go first. Reggie.
Hey, me, I'm parked to the side.
Why are you holding?
These are beautiful. Can I smell them?
Of course. These are like
That's a whole lot.
Beautiful. So it's a romance day. Also, Sonabile's been romantic though. Really?
I am like that.
Okay. We get it.
I got started with great dog. Oko.
Now, I don't even mind. This is for my OnlyFans.
That's gonna go in the big two. I was not involved. I was personally back. When is the slot? After Reggie. And that's Reggie's right now, actually. So in the next 20 minutes.
I can meet the ladies first week. You got this.
Why? You need to go somewhere. Yeah, but it's fine. Reggie, do you want to finish your meal? We start with September and then you.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Enjoy your meal. Now, yeah.
Hawu, ushusha lawa kakuningi shamanzi.
In the studio and then one of them over the
Huh?
You're not gonna bring your thingy, your flowers as your essential?
Oh, I can't. Really? What you doing those?
I don't like it. My back tour just now look.
Okay.
What's happening in this? That's a
Okay.
good.
It's a bag in the back.
So should I wait for you to get
Nothing in
done?
there that's essential. No. That you and I now have bad blood, per se.
No bad blood.
Yeah.
Wait.
Shake on it. Is it necessary? Okay,
Just a young.
shut up.
Yeah.
What did you say you wanted to talk about?
So I wanted to ask you a question, right? So I'm gonna put you in a scenario. Wait, what kind of guys are you into?
You can come.
Kanya.
How long have you guys been in a relationship?
Whoa. Bengisatshona. Kusho ukuthi hayi intombazana exoxa nezitha zakho.
I mean, I wouldn't say he's Zita per se.
What? Mr. Report, every video you've made. Come on, the lines have been drawn. Blah blah joke.
Well, to be fair, he went back to his ex too and dumped her. So.
Or after
So that's really. The problem I have is him per se. I don't understand men who like dating or
other guys,
who find
other guys, girls attractive or enticing.
I just don't see it.
Yeah, once it starts becoming a pattern, it becomes weird.
The world is just too big. First it was Sima, and then now it's here. You're asking questions like, what kind of guy are you into?
Like, it's
like okay.
Put me in the situation. I'm listening.
So I'm putting you in a situation, right?
She's too interested. That's what I think.
Oh, okay. Let's say
Yeah.
there was a guy, right?
A guy.
Random guy who likes to wear beanies a lot.
You.
No, not him.
Oh, Siv.
No, not so. A random guy
Okay.
likes to wear beanies a lot.
Uh-huh.
And he was like, listen, let me take you out on a date.
Okay.
What would you say?
I'm in a relationship.
Oh, okay. Let's say in a situation where you were not in a relationship.
If I was not in a
Yeah.
relationship, then it depends on whether I'm interested in knowing this person better. Then probably I would, if you type young and stuff. So.
You don't type like,
I'm not type.
yeah?
I actually don't have a type.
Okay. You don't,
But
okay,
like, I'm
wait.
just saying if I was interested in the person.
Interest.
Grow your capital by trading with Octo.
Hey, I think people
Learn to
coin.
earn more with our support at every step. 60 plus awards, trusted by traders in 180 countries. Start now.
Formula One is back. Side by side they go. Oh, it's going to be contact. It's total chaos. Russell being passed by the gaggle of cars.
Three-way fights became five-way fights, corner after corner.
It is time for a new season of Formula One.
I got the Asuli cars. I wish I would dealership.
Okay, what makes you interested in a person? Like what?
Personality.
Looks. And looks. Looks.
That's
What,
type.
you choose looks over personality or personality over looks?
Personality over looks, but at the same time, I'm not going to walk around the mall with personality. I need you to look good.
Yeah, come on.
That's very interesting coming from like, I'm saying like that's
Because I
very,
would say,
no, I'm saying no.
You're throwing shade.
I'm not. I'm just saying
That's
it's very
interesting coming from you. Exactly. This fucking
Okay,
guy.
just off the bat, rate my personality.
I don't know you personally, so I can't rate your personality.
Like from this interaction in your show.
You're
said
calm, gent, I guess.
Chilling,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So out of 10.
Wena ndoda mbumbulu ohlele emva kwekamera.
Isn't it like cheating? No?
How is it cheating?
How's it cheating?
It
That's
is.
the question.
I mean, personally, if you went around telling girls that they are a 9, you have no business rating cunts. I wouldn't like it.
But you have a business. Ukhona lezitha zomuntu
She's
ojola
actually,
naye.
she's actually right.
She's not right.
She's right.
She's not right.
If you go around telling people, if you go around rating people, then technically it's cheating.
No, it's not cheating. Cheating is doing things that you're not supposed to do. Breaking the agreement, the commitment, being intimate, flirting, that type of stuff.
Yeah,
but you
but-
just look at a person like, you're attractive. How's that cheating?
I mean, come on.
Okay.
If you just keep telling them, you're going out of your way to tell them, then
No, it's being weird. But it's not cheating, but you're being weird.
Hey, man.
Is into papa.
thing is,
It's not cheating.
it's not something that I would do. Going around telling people like, yes,
Yeah, upapa.
What do you think?
especially on camera.
Wouldn't like.
Especially on camera, because now this is technically she's right with it's cheating.
But yeah, now she's speaking from a high horse. Because you are out here cheating with your boyfriend's enemies or something. There's no bad blood.
Yeah, but she's not gonna chill alone in a restaurant when they are here to shoot content.
Yeah, but that's the point. Labantu laba into yabo ukubaclasha the content. You understand? Lo muntu is
No,
but listen to what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Ugoes to share content. Untwana ushaya content. Yabo.
Now you try content, who's this?
Now share content. Yabo. But at the present moment when this video was being shot, how are you going to shoot a video? Okay, let me just put it to you like this. Imagine 50 Cent's girlfriend on fucking Rick Ross's video. What the fuck do you call that?
No, but
You're being disloyal.
no, but no one knows 50 Cent's girlfriend. No one knows no one
yes,
knows
no
them.
one knows them. But the point is that they should be loyal.
As opposed to if 50 Cent has gone out of his way to put his girlfriend on camera.
Yes.
And then
okay, in that specific moment, was that not disloyalty?
What?
Guti Rick Ross's baby mama was hanging out with 50 Cent.
No, but the point I'm making is you can't, in this instance, you can't separate content and you can't separate them.
This is personal because they're speaking about Timmy
yeah,
John and preferences.
But it's content.
There's nothing in it for her because she didn't shoot this. She didn't put it up in a channel.
No, but
she's doing it for him.
Yeah, but the camera was there when she sat down. That's the point I'm making. It's that.
Yes, she was supposed to say, Sanbona Njani Sharp, I do not feel comfortable engaging in this type of thing. I'm removing myself from this situation.
It's internet beef, dude. It's not necessarily someone who wants to kill another person.
No,
it's internet beef. And Nakona, it's like, you're talking about a guy who's gone out of his way, who would do anything for content. Maybe she knows that this guy has a lot of subscribers. She knows that if she's.
But her boyfriend has like 6 times more. That's the point.
If she appears on camera, it makes her look.
Yeah, but what's the point if your boyfriend is 6 times more?
It's the same boyfriend who dumps her in a prank video. So I think
she's not being loyal, man.
You're calm, James. Let's leave it.
Come, James.
Don't be out. Tell father, Leo.
What do you mean?
I'm coming back right now. And then you came to Sonwabile?
Huh?
Yeah?
Came to Sonwabile?
Oh! I think Mxhosa, bro. Mxhosa is already like type of settling type of vibe. And like, have you seen when Xhosa?
Where is the loyalty?
I'm sorry.
Is it for sex?
I am sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm
not
sorry.
gonna say a word.
I'm sorry for saying what I said. Ghost, data again just to dump on camera. Get her again just to dump on camera.
Mjole aljoni siras wenza prank
yelobolo. Ngiyamlwela ukhuluma
lenza prank yelobolo.
Ukuthetha isiXhosa ebhedini.
Thumela bobalume abaqashiwe. Fake lobolo.
I just feel police gets you there. I just like, yeah, also me like that. I was there, you know. I was there.
Fucking guy. Oh, this guy's a slime ball. Yes. And this is a slime ball. Oh my god.
That was guy YouTube.
Now me like.
Thing is, Sonwabile is actually someone
Too dramatic for me. Like, one night I was like, I don't need that drama in my life.
Except for
what does that mean?
Except for his whatever happens in Zonkena, it doesn't matter if she's just been fucked. Yeah. Except for that part, which I would like to give him the benefit of the doubt in saying that he just wants to stir shit up.
Yeah.
He wouldn't, he probably would, but he just wants to stir shit up. That's what I'm saying. He's someone that he's not someone that you can actually respect as Umchid. As opposed to the other guy who it's like, yeah, it's like, yeah, in a way.
I even shot the one video where the pizza was thrown. I was like, nah. After shooting, I was like, never again.
The truth about the Sonwabile. Yes, the truth. No,
Sonwabile is cooking. Watch him. He's cooking.
I have a new red flag.
Bald girls?
No, Thomas, I need to sharp his singers.
Hey, anyway, never anyway.
What the? High demand made Junior's ride pricier. Chill, Junior. Use InDrive and negotiate for a fixed fare
You don't
price.
skip adverts, but yo.
InDrive. People driven.
It's not a shading off passage.
Guys, okay, listen, it's like this. Guys, I don't usually do this. This is not my business, but I just really need to speak about this. I'm saying this because I saw my friend Nalin doing one of the videos. And I'm not going to speak about this again. So, let's give them a name. It's Lerato.
What is the beef?
But there's beef.
The beef is.
I call beef. I call beef.
I have my camera with me, by the way. We can use my camera.
Where is it though?
My A7 with 20 to 105 milliliter podcast. Long life, long life, long life. Yes, I'm blessing for the long life.
Amageza nje konke nje ngamageza.
Sihamba bonke. Aleso sikhathi wena umsendela good morning. Wena ngodampheki.
Thixo. Hey. Uyaphi ke wena?
Kanti la baba maxhosa nespoki nes. Khanya.
Kancane yafika. Tolikaka. Ubani? Uthom nangu. Uthomna ngisona bile. Uthanda ngisona bile.
Uzosibetisa mnikela English.
Uthanda ngisona bile.
Kasi yasinyaniphaphela for.
Uthanda ngisona bile. Uthanda ngisona bile.
I'm just a girl.
Wait, oh, ngoku you're just a girl.
Just a girl.
What do you mean, what am I doing?
Sifika ngoku eRandburg boy.
Guys, let's go. Hamba labafana ungabazi. Azinye ivala.
How much? No, let's figure out how much.
Oh, in the morning.
How much? Okay, fine.
Listen to you.
Stop. One.
No, okay, no, I'll wait. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You.
Let's go.
Tough.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
One.
What is this? Friends like these, just take your L and go home.
So come, let's go. Chop's not finished. 2-2.
Like, if I was in friends like these and for my niggas
I'm on fuck.
and red chairs, nigga, I'm going.
Okay.
I'm getting here on the deck, nigga.
More hoes for us.
If you think we're Kalikas, bro, when.
Yo.
Ah, this is done. Fuck it.
Sonwabile, a bad guy, man.
Vele befuna ukugeza. Come up to friends like this, don't I? You know, friends like this was a very stupid game. Like the game,
How?
the face off.
Oh, yeah.
It's really that simple. Just make a deal with your niggas.
This kid's number 3.
Always choose the first answer. Simple.
Spicy somewhere. This is I'm saver for number 3.
This I'm saver. Simple. Simple.
Portuguese island.
Portuguese island.
But
But yeah, guys,
subscribe, comment below, like. Hey man. Mina sekune red flag eja. Into zakwa YouTube ezinoshabhisi. Share phansi.
and uyayithanda kusisi.
Share phansi lento.
Uyayithanda kusisi.
Share phansi. Sure.